get to it.
Another one.
Simple guidelines for learning automation. Well, I guess we're going to be sticking on the automation topic for a little bit, aren't we? So it says, let me see. It says, please guide for automation. I'm a manual tester of 3.5 years. So the other person was about 3 years. This person is 3.5 years. I have zero, zilch, nada knowledge or experience in a coding language. But I want to change my career, and I guess I do. You sound really, really excited about that. I guess automation testing is the only good option for now. Oh, that sounds depressive. All right, okay, well, let's keep going. But I'm really confused which language and tool to pick. I hear many people saying many things, but according to the market, which can I do? Is it Python? Is it Java? Or C#? Or JavaScript? Selenium? Or Cucumber? Or Playwright? Or Cypress? Or Postman? Or Appium? Or learn JMeter first? I don't know. This is driving me crazy and I can't decide. Can someone please guide me and help me to choose which is needed and the best? I also need resources for them to learn from basics to advanced. Thank you so much. All right, let's start the clock. All right, so guess what? I have to tell you the truth.
It doesn't matter what you think.
It really doesn't matter which one you learn, right? Just pick one. Because learning automation, it's not about learning a particular language. You can easily pivot to any other language. Not easy is an understatement, right? But I might be exaggerating when I say easy, but when I was learning Python, it was somewhat easy to transfer over my knowledge of Java to understand like how to code in Python. And now I'm pretty decent coder in Python. Learning automation is more about learning the coding concept of like object-oriented programming, the page object model, things of that nature. Instead of like, oh, I have to focus on this particular language. Oh, I have to like, if you don't know any coding language, it doesn't really matter which one you learn, right? You can go ahead and like, I would probably say go ahead and learn Python, because Python is probably one of the easiest languages to learn. And whether like if it's Selenium or Playwright, it's not that big of a deal, right? Playwright is the new tool, is the new toy out there, so Playwright would be fine to learn. Selenium is still the most popular automation framework in the world, right? So pick your poison. Doesn't really matter. I would not learn because Cucumber, like, see, and this is the part of where people do not do their proper due diligence, their proper research. Cucumber is a library or a package that goes within Java, because that's how you use Cucumber to do behavior-driven development. Appium I think Appium works with a few different languages, but Appium, it's still based on Selenium. Got to do, or do I learn JMeter first? Well, is your goal to be performance, to be a performance tester, or to do automation? Right. So it is very important that people do their due diligence instead, like before they just spew out a question. Like, all right, what is JMeter used for? What is Playwright? What is Cypress? What is Postman? Like and if you're going to be learning automation, you're also going to have to learn how to do API automation. Whether you're using Python, using the request library, whether you're using Rest Assured for Java, whether you're going to be doing in JavaScript, you're going to be using Supertest and the other like the other libraries and packages in JavaScript. So what I suggest is pick something. Just start. What I always like, people, they have analysis paralysis, right? Analysis paralysis. And they can't like they just, oh, should I do this? Should I do that? And then they do like They'll start 5 different courses in 5 different days, and they'll do the first 2 sections of each course, and then they switch to the next one. They switch to the next one. They switch to the next. You know, you ever heard of job hoppers? They are course hoppers. Yeah, that you heard it. You heard it here first. They are course hoppers. They be jumping around from course to course, boot camp to boot camp. I'm telling you, I've seen people who they said, you know, I'm in, like, I just finished a boot camp for QA. I'm gonna be the best QA who ever walked the earth. And that'll be on Monday, right? And then the following Monday, their LinkedIn profile is updated. It says, I'm gonna be the best tech sales to ever walk the earth. And then, not even a week later, by that Friday, I'm gonna be the best data analyst, better than Mitch to ever walk the earth.
Bruh.
They're boot camp and course hoppers. So I always say you got to get started, right? If you just pick Python, right? Just say, you know what? Do a Russian roulette. Say Python and Selenium, Python and Playwright, and let me get something automated. Let me figure out the principles of automation. Let me automate something. Start with the very, very basic. Go and automate, like, what do you like? If you like sports, go and automate going to the ESPN site to pull up your favorite team's score. Like, so if you're Mitch, you're trying to learn automation, right? Go and pull up the Lakers games, and so you can see your favorite player, LeBron James, see how he did tonight, him and Bronny. See how did they do, right? You know, so just automate something, and then you build off of that. Then you make it better and better and better, and then you start getting more ideas, and now you become an actual automation tester. But it also seems like you're not really sold on it. You don't really want to do it. It seems like you feel like you have no choice. You feel like you're trapped. You know, but do what you want. You can do what you want. All right. With that being said, I'm gonna wrap that one up.
For hands to pull me up, I fill my own glass, I drink my own cup. Failures fuel the fire that sets me free. Every spark, every flame burns brighter in me.
I called the shots, but they ran away. Promises made, but none would stay. So I turned the mirror, and what did I see? The only one I trust is me.
I stood alone when the world turned gray. Hope shattered like glass, dreams led astray. But I picked up the pieces, carved my own way. Now it's my voice, my game, my play. I'm betting on me, I'm taking the lead. No one else can match my speed. I replace them all, now I'm the key. The world's in my hands, I'm betting on me.
I'm betting on me, I'm taking the lead. No one else can match my speed. I replace them all, now I'm the key. The world's in my hands, I'm betting on me. Tired of waiting for a no-show crew, so I built the dream with my own view. Brick by brick, I carved my lane. Through the storm, through the pain.
I'm betting on me, I'm taking the lead. No one else can match my speed. I replace them all, now I'm the key. The world's in my hands, I'm betting on me.
I'm betting on me, I'm taking the lead. No one else can match my speed. I replace them all, now I'm the key. The world's in my hands, I'm betting on me. They vanished. vanished like shadows when the sun appeared. Left me to battle my own darkest fears, but I turned the silence into my cheer. Every loss was a step to get me here.
I'm betting on me, I'm taking the lead. No one else can match my speed. I replaced them all, now I'm the key. The world's in my hands, I'm betting on me.
I'm betting on me, I'm taking the lead. No one else can match my speed. I replaced them all, now I'm the key. The world's in my hands, I'm betting on me.
Oh, 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 oh.